Okay, so gonna get some In-N-Out because I am starving, and it was like 103 degrees all day today. I was not trying to deal with that, so I woke up, did some video editing, and went back to sleep from noon to 5 p.m. So it's time to finally get out of the house. I think there's an In-N-Out in like Phoenix, but I'm going to the one in Tempe for old time's sake, and because I really don't have a whole lot else on my schedule right now. Dude, this car is so fun though. It just straight up whips. It's a lime green Mustang convertible. It's like the douchiest thing I could possibly have gotten, but it was a good deal, and I tend to drive pretty douchey cars. Because why not? I mean, everyone else at Scottsdale's doing the same thing anyway, so I don't want to like speed like crazy around Will's neighborhood though, because he actually like lives here and it's a bunch of families. Hi, I'm good. May I have a cheeseburger plain with a Neapolitan milkshake and fries? And then may I also have a double with no cheese, extra pickles, extra tomato, an order of fries, a large ice water, and a vanilla shake. Yes, onions please. And for that shake, actually, can it be strawberry vanilla twist? Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you.
Alright, it's 16, and you take first then though.
Alright, dope. Thank you. Alright, hell yeah. So I used to go to this In-N-Out all the time back in college. I did get In-N-Out when I was in Cali, but it just, I don't know, it wasn't that special. This particular In-N-Out location I used to go to literally all the time. We would usually order, light a joint, and then have the joint finished by the time we got to the window, because that's how long this line takes, and then your food's like super fresh and great and everything. But I don't smoke weed anymore, even though it's like legal now. But yeah, it really doesn't interest me. So, but yeah, this is some nostalgia going through this line. It's funny too, because this is exactly the same as it used to be. The complex right next door is exactly the same it used to be, but college was 10 years ago, and everything else around here is completely different. I'm really wondering too, with the virus, like all this extra like super expensive student housing, what kind of a bubble they're going to be in and how quickly that's going to burst, because ASU's whole business model is cram thousands of unhealthy teenagers and early 20-somethings into small spaces and call it a class. And that's why they're able to sell these super expensive apartments to them. But if there was ever a definition or case in point of extraneous spending and luxury student apartments, that's it. So part of me is like kind of happy to wonder about how fast this is all going to fall apart, because everyone living in them is assholes, and the builders that are making them are assholes, and it just skyrocketed the rents for those of us that actually lived here, and I don't want to watch it all crash and burn. So yeah, all right, let's see how the food is. Oh, how are you? Oh, awesome, great food. No, I think, actually, yeah, probably a good bit actually for the fries. I forgot about those.
Is that for you?
Perfect.
Yeah. And then here's that order for you. And have a good night, thank you.
You as well, thank you. Alright, hell yeah, that was faster than I thought it was gonna be. Will's food will just take back to the house, but I am totally parking right here and eating mine. Dude, are you merging or what? Okay, no. Alright, cool. This is good enough. Alright, dope. Okay. Yeah, I got it in Cali, but I was like in a rush, but it wasn't really like that good. Let's see what we got here. Like a god-awful amount of fries. And then I think that's Will's single cheeseburger, which would make this. Oh, salt and pepper, hell yeah. Make this my double, extra tomatoes, no cheese, onions, extra pickle, and all God's love. Okay. Oh shit, we're dripping. Drip game strong. Okay. So I always like wonder if In-N-Out's really as good as I think it is, or if I just think it's better because I miss it because I can't eat it unless I'm on the West Coast. I don't live out here anymore, so let's see. My doctor is gonna kill me if the salt doesn't first. All the crunch from the onions, fresh tomatoes, the pickles just pairs so well with the light bread. It's just thin enough to be there. It's substantial but not overwhelming. Lettuce adds a nice mix right in the middle. No cheese because I don't need cheese. People think I'm crazy, but I don't know. I just don't feel like we need it. We have way too many fat people, so perfectly piping hot. Not like too hot to bite though. I like the extra tomato and pickle. I just feel like it rounds it out. Especially with the double meat too, because they'll double your meat, but they won't double your veggies, so the ratio's off. You know, like a standard In-N-Out burger is perfect, but I want a bigger one, so you need to double the veggies if you're gonna double the meat, the way I see it. Man, that smacks. So is it the best burger? It is the best West Coast based chain burger. National chains, I would probably say Five Guys, but Five Guys is also double the price and doesn't have drive-thrus, so there's that. There's no like East Coast based chain that has a burger that I like as much as I like In-N-Out, but I wouldn't put In-N-Out as the best national chain. But for the price, I would say I like Five Guys and like all their different topping options probably overall better than I like In-N-Out. But, and we're just talking about burgers specifically here, because I usually don't even bother to eat the fries, and the shakes are kind of like an extra thing. I don't even know if I'm going to drink that one. I just got it because I'm here. I got the fries because I'm here too, and then I got food for Will. But In-N-Out does have a drive-thru, so that's a win on their part. And for the price, like this is like $4.15 plus tax. My burger at Five Guys is $9.85. So yeah, I mean, In-N-Out wins in terms of, if you just compare the burger itself to the burger itself between here and Five Guys, then I'd probably pick the Five Guys burger. But if you take factors into consideration, the drive-thru, the price, then yeah, In-N-Out smacks. In-N-Out wins. It's Anthony Bourdain actually rated In-N-Out as his favorite burger and gave a much more articulate and culinary specific explanation as to why. And yeah, may he rest in peace. But that dude knew what he was talking about, and this was his favorite burger. So yeah, I side with him. So Brian found out I was here and wanted something, so I had to come back.
Here's the water for you.
Oh, no, I have some. Thank you. Thanks. Have a good one. You too. Yeah, but I just think it's funny because, like, we're up in Sedona literally a couple days ago, and Will and Brian wanted to go to some like fancy hipster vegan bistro or whatever because they have buckwheat waffles that have like a nut butter syrup or something, like this whole super pretentious health freak blah 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 blah. And I was like, you know what, that's cool, you do you, enjoy, whatever. But here we are. And I'm like, yeah, I'm going to In-N-Out. And everyone's like, oh yeah, can I get that? And then the people that weren't even there when I left, then they find out I'm there and they're calling me like, oh yeah, can I get the most unhealthy thing that they possibly serve? So I just find it humorous, but to each their own. I hope they enjoy. I thoroughly did. And yeah, for the price, I think In-N-Out is actually the best burger. They're not available nationwide. Five Guys is. So on that note, I do probably end up preferring Five Guys half the time, but if I had the choice, I would go with In-N-Out. So there we are. It's so nice out right now too. Like, that's what I love the convertible for. Like, night driving out here in the desert, it's still 95 degrees and it's just perfect because it's dry. It's the sun that's always brutal. All right, let's see what this car can do.